Hey Chalkers, it's March and we can't wait to show you this month's Club Couture Transfer. With its lovely floral elements and beautiful spring color palette, your creativity will be uninhibited with this wild and free transfer. This month's Club Couture shipment comes with everything you see here. The bee-sized wild and free transfer and 3 beautiful paste single packets, guava, sage, and tide. Alright, I've gathered my supplies so we're ready to go. To begin, I'll prep my transfer by removing the backer and placing it sticky side down on our fuzzing cloth. This picks up some lint from the fuzzing cloth and gentles the adhesive on our new transfer. It helps a new transfer not be as sticky and avoids stretching your design when you go to peel it off. Now I'll center on my box frame and smooth it out. I'm making sure to get it well pressed down with no bubbles or wrinkles. It's time for the paste. I'm prepping my guava paste by kneading it to make sure it is well mixed. Then I'll just cut open the packet and squeeze them into my color tray. I'll do the same with sage and tide. This color palette just makes me happy and the paste is looking so creamy and perfect. Okay, let's get chalking. Using the straight end of my multi-tool, I'm loading up some guava paste to chalk the flowers. I'm going to be a little bit fussy about this project, so I'll be using a technique we call chalk and pull. To do this, I'm working in sections from the top of my transfer to the bottom, peeling as I go. I've gotten my flowers chalked and there's no extra paste on the screen, so I'm going to move on to the leaves. I'm chalking these with my sage paste, and I'm being extra careful not to get sage on the flowers. Once I've gotten the screen of this top section covered and the excess paste removed, I'm ready to peel. I'm pulling from the middle of the transfer to avoid stretching the design, and I'm only peeling the top part of the transfer that I've already chalked. Now I need to let it dry a little bit so I don't smudge the paste. Our quick dry tool does a great job of speeding this up. Now that it's dry, I'm laying the transfer back down, smoothing it out, and I can keep chalking. Using my mini squeegee, I'm going to paste the words in tide. I'm being careful to only get tide in the letters, and my mini squeegee is the perfect tool for this part. It works great to get in the tight corners, but it also covers a bigger section of the screen than our multi-tool. Now I will just keep chalking, switching between colors and elements as I move down the transfer another third of the way. Because I'm using our chalk and pull technique, I have already peeled and dried that top section. So I don't need to be stressed about it drying in my screen. I can take my time to get everything just right. Just a couple more elements to go and it's time to peel again. This time I'll peel the transfer even further to just below where I've chalked and dry it with my quick dry tool. Once that's dry, I'm repeating the process for the last section of the transfer. Words in tide, flowers in guava, leaves in sage until I'm done. This project may look kind of elaborate, but don't be intimidated. Just take your time and peel as you go. That's the glory of the chalk and pull technique. It gives you more time to chalk a project so that you can get all the colors and details you could want. Alright, I'm just finishing up these last elements, and once I've finished this section, I'm good to peel the transfer all the way off. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, it turned out so lovely! This exclusive Club Couture transfer is a beautiful design that is the perfect reminder to let go and be unapologetically you. Don't forget to show your individuality by creating something truly wild and free for your home. Happy chalking!